In this lab, we will react iron metal with a solution of copper 2 sulfate, producing a solution of iron 2 sulfate and copper metal. First, we'll measure the mass of an empty 100 milliliter beaker. Now we are adding copper 2 sulfate pentahydrate. Here we are after adding all the copper 2 sulfate. Next, we're collecting water in a graduated cylinder. Now I'm measuring out some iron. I've lit my Bunsen burner, and now the copper 2 sulfate pentahydrate is heating up in the beaker. Here's the copper 2 sulfate pentahydrate after a bit of heating. I'm now adding my iron incrementally, starting with a little bit. And I will stir it. And I'll add a little bit more. There's the rest. All right. And now I'm just going to keep on stirring it. And we'll come back to this in a little bit. While the reaction is going, I'm weighing a filter paper. I'm now setting up a filtration apparatus, taking the filter paper, folding it in half and then half again. And then I will open it up here, and when we're ready, we will filter through this. Here's the reaction mixture after 10 minutes. Now transferring the mixture onto the filter paper. We're trying to make sure all that solid gets onto the filter paper, the product onto the filter paper. But you can see there's still some there, so all I'll need to do is add some water. And that should be all the solid. Here's what everything looks like during the filtration. Now that the filtration is approximately complete, I'm going to rinse the filter paper. And I'm going to let it drain, and then I'm going to do the same thing again. This is what we have after 2 rinses. I'm next going to use crucible tongs to transfer this filter paper over to a piece of paper towel. And we will leave this on the windowsill until tomorrow. Here's the product on the filter paper after letting it dry overnight. And this is what happens when I put a magnet next to it.